All right, it's day 3. Got my buddy here with his truck and massive trailer here, so we're gonna go get that Winnebago, get it loaded up, and we'll see how that goes. Come on. That thing run off of bubbles?
Yeah, this was the I'm rich version.
This is a 69. It doesn't even say Brave or anything on it. It's like the earlier version. See how the front
This is not the
pointed
Brave, this is the chicken.
Chicken?
Put the hook on this one.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That looks strong or what?
Sure.
Ah, yeah, that's it. Point it down, that's the right way to do it, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. Looks like I parked it in the exact right spot. All right, so we got Mick gonna be driving the camper up. I'm gonna be here with a block of wood or something to hopefully stop it from going into the front of the trailer. And Ryan's gonna hopefully not rip this Ford in half with his Dodge. And,
I'm gonna do my best.
Hope you don't get carried away and just, maybe I should call you on the phone so you can communicate.
It's a long way.
I got a long cable. You good, Mick? All right, wish us luck. Here we go. I don't know what the heck happened there. Oh my God. I think I'm a little bit in shock because then this thing was making all kind of noise. I'm like, it's gonna shoot right at me.
I tell you, that's one good thing, my dad having heavy equipment and all this stuff. If we need to go get something, we can go get it.
I'm glad that it was this snatch block and not the one we normally use for off-road, which is fine. But this being a little bit bigger made me feel better.
Yeah, my dad's always got the big stuff.
It did have me a little freaked out though, because I'm trying to watch where you're steering. I'm trying to watch where this thing is. I'm trying to watch, make sure he will stop. Which we did pretty good here. We're about 4 foot from the front. Back is right there. Just gotta get it up enough to clear the ramps. So, pretty cool. All right, now we're just gonna try to get up the rest of the way up this trailer here. Hopefully it goes well. Say when. More? Whoa! Look at that. I see the hitch drag the ground coming up.
I don't know. It looks like Mick might have welded this on.
Don't use that one.
You might want to skip that. Might be some oil in there. Some graphite.
At least the brakes weren't locked up.
That's what I couldn't believe.
The pedal's locked up.
The brake pedal's locked up. Brakes are locked up. That's the key. Leave that. Look at that. Dodge. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Turn the bubbles on.
Never seen so many leaves fly off of a roof.
I don't even know. Yoo-hoo, she's home. I'm afraid when it hits that thing, it might be really violent.
It might be. It might be.
I'll back my truck over here.
I'm going for a rickshaw ride.
You better put the seatbelt on.
Did you sign the waiver?
Hang on.
It doesn't have high back buckets, and this is gonna hurt.
Lumbar support.
You're gonna need all the lumbar support you can. That trailer is just gonna dig into the ground. You're gonna be in the back.
Which way do I need to turn these wheels?
To the left.
To the left?
Mm-hmm. Okay, right there. Ooh, ooh. Back the other way a smidge. A little more. Right there. Whoop. Right there. Yes. All right. I'm gonna unstrap it.
All right. So what's happening is we're just gonna push this off the trailer, or Ryan is, and we hope it does. It has no brakes. Mick's in there. Going on a ride for his life.
When it hits the back of this trailer here, the trailer hitch is going to dig into this ground, and it's going to stop it dead. He's going to end up out that back window. Okay, yeah, tie yourself in.
I'm good.
Here we go. I'm gonna shut the door because I don't want my door to break off.
You holding on? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh God! Get the brake on.
Didn't park.
Here we go. Here we go.
One more.
Oh my God! It's heavy. Here we go.
All right.
Ready?
It's gonna bounce.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here comes the stand. As predicted. Yeah. You're right in there.
My neck! My neck!
Look at that.
That pretty much went exactly like I thought it would.
How's your neck feel?
She stopped, didn't she?
We lost the step.
That's all right.
That's all right.
Didn't hurt anything, though. Dug in.
The trailer just buried itself into the ground.
Now you gotta pull the truck forward, and
You think it'll?
I think it'll go. Just get the step out of the way.
You gonna try to pull forward?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Look at that. It's on the ground. Perfect.
There she is, right at the graveyard.
I'm gonna fix that thing up one of these days.
Yeah. Save the V-dubs. A classic hit from Rob and Ryan.
Look, it's already got the wide fenders on it.
Yeah.
And the Lambo doors are about ready to go on it.